Welcome to Taipei Taoyuan International Airport. If you're arriving in Terminal 1 or Terminal 2, the directions are exactly the same. As soon as you arrive in Taiwan, you go left. And then, at this point, you'll see signs for the MRT. If you haven't already, you can pick up a Wi-Fi router or SIM card to stay connected in Taipei. If you're interested in getting mobile data internationally and having a SIM card or Wi-Fi router in Taiwan, check the link in the description and I'll have a full blog post on how that works. Here is the departures area. This is where you'll be checking in for another flight when you depart Taipei. But at this point, we're going down. We're going underground. We're going to take the escalator down 2 levels, or if you have a lot of luggage, it might be easier to take the elevator. 1 level below the departures area is the food court. At this point, it's about midnight in Taiwan, so most of the places are closed. A lot of the shops and food places close around 11 p.m. and open around 7 a.m. at Taipei Airport. We're going to go down the escalator another level, and that'll bring us to the Airport MRT area. At this point, you'll see a screen with departure times for Platform 1 and Platform 2. Platform 1 will take you towards Taoyuan and the Taoyuan HSR station. Platform 2 will take you towards Taipei City with its final stop, Taipei Main Station. To get tickets for the Airport MRT, there's 2 ways to do it. You can get a single journey token, which will cost you 160 new Taiwan dollars. These are available at the vending machines, or you could get an Easy Card. An Easy Card is a prepaid commuter pass that you can use throughout Taiwan. To get through the gates, you'll have to scan your Easy Card or a single journey token. The gates will open and you're on your way. When leaving a station, you'll have to scan your Easy Card again, or if you're using a single journey token, you're going to have to insert the token into the gate slot and it will open to let you out. To get an Easy Card, they have it at the vending machine, or you could buy it from the station kiosk. To get an Easy Card, it'll cost you 100 new Taiwan dollars, and that's really considered a deposit. So if you have money left at the end of your trip, you could just cash out your Easy Card and get your deposit back. The Easy Card makes things super simple, and you also get a discount on using the MRT system. If you buy a single journey token from Taipei Airport to Taipei City, that'll cost you 160 new Taiwan dollars. If you're using an Easy Card, that same ride will cost you 150 new Taiwan dollars. Within the city, all MRT rides are 20% off. Most short rides have a minimum of 20 new Taiwan dollars, and if you're using the Easy Card, you'll get 20% off, making each of those rides 16 new Taiwan dollars. Here, we have the commuter train arriving. Late at night, you should absolutely just take any train that appears, because express trains are less frequent late at night. The difference between a commuter train and an express train is written right outside the train. So you'll see that it says commuter or express. Commuter trains typically have bench-style seating, while express trains have single seats. I prefer the express train. It's faster, it has free Wi-Fi, and it has wireless charging at certain seats. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this Taiwan video. If you're interested in learning more about Taiwan, check out my website, taiwaneater.com.